Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare Interactive Brokers and SAXO Bank. The first thing I'm going to talk about are fees. Then I will talk about the account opening design of products and applications, then also markets, like what they actually offer, security and customer service. So let's start. Fees. Stock and ETF commission on $2,000 trade is much cheaper in Interactive Brokers comparing to SAXO Bank. So if you would like to buy ETF or trade stocks, I would go with the Interactive Brokers, not with the SAXO Bank. You can see it right here. $1 comparing to $10. UK stock again cheaper. German stock again cheaper. So this is the first thing which is important for everyone. Also, options are cheaper. The only thing that the SAXO Bank has lower is, which one was it? It's funds, I think, are cheaper comparing to others. It's like cheaper, but funds are the only thing which is the fees are low. So if you want to go with the funds, go with the SAXO Bank. Also, the Forex is much expensive, again, comparing to Interactive Brokers. And let's go further. Then you have inactivity fee, which is like non-trading fee. And non-trading fee, inactivity fee in Interactive Brokers, if you have below, like above $2,000, let's say that you have, you're gonna pay $10 inactivity fee monthly. But if you pay commission of $5 after transactions, you're gonna pay only $5 in activity fee. And I will give you a workaround how you can go around that. So this is it. SAXO Bank has also inactivity fee. Let me show you. Right here. In the UK, 25 after 1 quarter of inactivity. After 6 months, it's $100 in other non-UK countries. Also, you need to keep in mind that SAXO Bank has something like custody fee. This is an annual 0.12 of your open positions with a minimum of €10 per month in the UK. For most other countries, it's 0.25 annually, but the minimum is €5 a month. So this is another thing that you're gonna pay like custody fee in SAXO Bank. And how you can go around the SAXO Bank and Interactive Brokers inactivity fee is open account in TrainStation Global. TrainStation Global is really similar to Interactive Brokers, and they are using the markets of Interactive Brokers, so you can actually use it and don't pay inactivity fee. So this is what you can do if you want to choose Interactive Brokers and you want to get rid of the fee. Now let's go further to markets and products. The account opening on both of these brokers is all right. Interactive Brokers is much slower a little bit, and their design of understanding information on their side is a little bit clumsy, I would say. Markets and products, both of these brokers has literally everything. They have everything from futures, from Forex to stock to ETF, but Interactive Brokers has many more products to offer. If you see here, the SAXO Bank stock and ETF selection, they have only 36 markets and 3,100. But if you would go here to Interactive Brokers, you can see it by yourself that they have more than 78 markets, and ETFs they have 13,000. So if I would be someone who wants to invest in foreign markets, I would probably again choose Interactive Brokers. But now, in what way SAXO Bank is winning comparing to Interactive Brokers? When you go here to trading platform, Interactive Brokers is not that good. And you have many examples of people saying it on Reddit and everywhere. It also is my opinion. But SAXO Bank trading platform is like super top notch. It's one of the top on the market, better than Digiro, better than trading platform, the Interactive Brokers and TradeStation, in my opinion. But you do you, you know, you choose what you like and what you want to buy. So if you want to, you're gonna pay a lot of money in fees, but the trading platform is huge and it's really good. Now, as I mentioned, customer service, both of these platforms has good customer service. No live chat, no 24 support, but it's all right. They will reply to you. And now the bottom line and safety, both of these are regulated. You can see it by yourself that they are really safe. And SAXO Bank got a banking background. Interactive Brokers, it's up to 85,000 euro, I think. I'm right, I think in this. Yes, 85,000 Libra. But yeah, pounds or how it's called, I don't know. But this is probably it. So to summarize this whole video, SAXO Bank, I would choose it only because of trading platform, and if you have some better, I don't know, opportunities with them, I would say better options. But in other way, in fees, in activity fee, if you can go with TrainStation Global, I would choose definitely Interactive Brokers. That's a much better choice. So that's probably it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. I enjoy making these type of videos. I love it. So yeah, have a great day everybody and goodbye.